So guys, today I'm doing a hairstyling video, but I'm not the one going to do it. I'm going to the salon for them to do it for me. And I feel like taking off the wig and wearing my natural hair out. And this style I intend doing a simple style. This style is good for children. Adults can also wear it as well. It's a very simple, easy style that you don't have to stress about it. Today I feel very lazy and tired from yesterday's activity, so I decided to just go to the salon, and I know how to do it, but today I'm not up for doing it myself, guys. So I decided to just, as I've said earlier, to film it and give you guys a style. So yes, without chatting too much, let's get into the video.